Ever stared at your W-2 form, feeling a mix of confusion and dread? You're not alone. This seemingly complex document is one of the most familiar, yet often misunderstood, pieces of paper in your financial life. It's packed with boxes and numbers that look important, but deciphering their true meaning can feel like cracking a secret code. In this video, we'll cut through the jargon and explain exactly what a W-2 represents. We'll highlight the crucial parts you truly need to understand for smart tax preparation and personal financial planning, empowering every employee, taxpayer, and student to approach tax season with confidence. At its core, your W-2 is a vital summary of your annual earnings and withholdings. It meticulously details what you earned from your employer, how much was withheld for federal, state, and local taxes, and other important contributions. Think of it as your employer's official report to the IRS and your state tax agency. Crucially, it is not a bill you owe, nor is it a judgment on your financial standing. It's simply a factual record of income and deductions that have already occurred throughout the year. Understanding this fundamental role is the first step to mastering your personal finances and tax obligations. For the vast majority of taxpayers, only a handful of numbers on the W-2 are absolutely essential for filing their tax return. These critical figures form the bedrock of your annual tax calculations. They directly influence whether you receive a refund or owe additional taxes. The most important boxes include your total wages, tips, and other compensation, Box 1, federal income tax withheld, Box 2, and state income tax withheld, Boxes 17 and 18, if applicable. These numbers are directly entered onto your tax forms, determining your overall tax liability. For students or new employees, understanding these basics is paramount. Many people experience a moment of panic when their W-2 wages don't perfectly match their total take-home pay from the year. This discrepancy is incredibly common and usually has a perfectly logical explanation. It doesn't automatically mean something is wrong with your finances or your W-2. Often, this difference arises because certain pre-tax benefits, like contributions to a 401k or health savings account, HSA, reduce your taxable income but are still part of your gross pay. Additionally, payroll rules and reporting methods for various income types don't always mirror your biweekly paycheck exactly. Understanding these nuances is key to accurate financial planning. While not always directly impacting your primary tax calculation, the other boxes on your W-2 provide a comprehensive financial snapshot. These sections track important details like contributions to retirement plans, Box 12, health savings accounts, Box 12, and the cost of employer-sponsored health coverage, Box 12, Code DD. They also include information on dependent care benefits, Box 10, or non-qualified plans, Box 11. These boxes exist to give the tax system a complete picture of your compensation and benefits. For many, these details can unlock valuable tax deductions or credits, directly impacting your personal finance strategy. While you don't need to interpret every single code, knowing they exist and what they generally represent is incredibly helpful. While most W-2s are accurate, there are specific situations where a closer inspection is absolutely warranted. If your name, social security number, or address is incorrect, it needs immediate attention. Similarly, if you notice income that seems clearly missing or withholding amounts that are obviously incorrect, you should act promptly. In such cases, it's crucial to contact your employer's payroll or HR department. They can issue a corrected W-2, known as a W-2C, which is a normal and necessary process. Proactively checking your W-2 for these red flags can prevent significant headaches and delays during tax season. Ultimately, your W-2 isn't a document to fear or ignore. It's a powerful summary of your annual work and financial activity, serving as a cornerstone for your tax preparation. Once you understand its role and the meaning behind its key sections, it transforms from a source of stress into an invaluable financial reference tool. Embrace your W-2 as an opportunity to gain deeper insight into your earnings, deductions, and tax obligations. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your personal finances, from budgeting to retirement planning. It's a fundamental step towards becoming a more financially literate and confident taxpayer. Don't let tax season catch you off guard. Now that you understand the essentials of your W-2, take the next step. Review your own W-2 carefully, identify the key boxes, and use this knowledge to confidently prepare your tax return. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a like and share it with friends, family, or fellow students who might also benefit. Subscribe for more practical tips on personal finance and tax preparation, and leave a comment below with any questions you have. Your financial empowerment starts now.